What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to remove any background in Adobe Illustrator. Now first thing you should do is to simply go to the picture that you want to remove its background. Then you should right click on it, then go and hover over open with, then choose Adobe Illustrator, or you can simply open Adobe Illustrator, then open the photo. And now here as you can see we have this photo. It has white background and now I want to increase its size, so I'm gonna increase its size a little bit. And now what you should do right now is to simply go up right here and you will find the view option, then go down till you find this option, show transparency grid. Click on it or click shift control plus D, and after that go to window, and now you have to choose the image trace option right here. So click on it. Then what you should do right now is simply go on the left side. You will have this tool, direct selection tool. Click on it. Then what you should do right now is simply click on the image. Then I want you to go to this window right here and choose high fidelity photo. Then now you have to wait till it finishes processing. Then now you have to close this tab and now go to object, then go down till you find expand option right here. So click on it, then choose OK. And now what you should do right now is to simply click anywhere that is far from the photo. So I'm going to click here, for example. Then I'm going to click on the photo in the background right here. Then click on delete button on your keyboard. And here you are. You have the photo without the background. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.